What is nature and why? Nature is a vast, closed, fully integrated living system we exist in. This system is built on, governed by strict, unchanging nature laws that sustain a fragile balance, and homeostasis life and optimal development depends on it. In this system, which encompasses the whole universe, all parts, elements are instinctively integrated, existing in a spatial mutual current, each automatically making calculations, existing only to help sustain the general balance and homeostasis for the sake of life and optimal development. Human beings are given a very special, unparalleled role, purpose in this system. We have to consciously, proactively develop into becoming the system only, independent, conscious, and objective observers. For the role a human being need to possess a very unique duality.